Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot for another You and Yours. You and Yours, as you know, is you and anyone who's affecting your energy, right? At this point. This is from now to the end of June. So it could be a love interest, could be a neighbor, could be your parent, could be a boss. So let's see who wants to show up for you today and how we can deal with this energy. So let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the message they need to hear the most. Thank you. So Libra, these are general collective energies. Each reading is not going to resonate with you. So take what works for you, okay? And just leave the rest. Also Libra, I'm going to be setting out two sides, one for you, one for your person. Even though I'll read one side as you, please feel free to flip the energy in case you feel you're on the other side. And also thank you all my subscribers. Sweet of you to send me such lovely comments. Ace of Wands. Fire, fire, fire. So much passion. What's happening, Libra? Okay, let's begin here. Hierophant. 10 of Cups. Queen of Cups. 3 of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Swords. Okay. Tower, and the Fool, the Hanged Man, 7 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and the Chariot. All right. For your mutual energy, I have the Strength, the Hermit, and the Emperor. Okay, so let me wrap my head around this very, very volatile reading that I have in front of me. So in the past, I see there was a lack of commitment. Yeah, see? There was a lack of commitment from one end, and somebody came in, to the other person with some empty promises. This led to a total imbalance. Yes, total imbalance in the situation happened. The sun went down, and maybe you were dealing with an Aries. There's an Emperor here. I have the Emperor again somewhere here. Yeah, right in the center. Yeah, you could be dealing with the fire sign and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or something. And yes, in the past there was a lack of commitment. Somebody came in with empty promises. There was no emotional fulfillment. The sun was not shining anymore. There was little sadness, and this Queen of Cups I have here. Even there was so much love. Why do people do this to each other, Libra? It's so difficult to find a true love in this lifetime, and people just throw it away for nothing. Yes, there was a lot of love, but maybe there were third-party situations here. When somebody was playing around, and this Queen of Cups turned her back. I'm not going to give my love anymore, and I'm going to keep it all to myself. I'm going to keep all my emotions hidden from now on, because I don't feel there's been justice and there's been no equal give and take in this situation. There was no investment put in here as well, okay, from the other side maybe. And yet there's so much love. Oof. Libra, it's overflowing. I said this in the Pisces reading as well. They had it in the center of their spread. And I said, listen, if you guys don't want it, just send it to me. How can you waste so much love? It's just pouring out into the ground. Send me a thumbs up if nothing else, or a subscribe. And you guys are turning your back away from this, okay? Not fair. So, yeah, so there was a lot of confusion here, Libra. There was a lot of confusion, and one person, I think, kind of just gave up and decided, I can't deal with all this. There's been no equal give and take here. And, yep. So before I go further, one card flipped out. I was going to ask a question, right? So now this person is, I think, going back and forth in their mind at the same card twice, okay? I was about to ask about this card and this flipped out. But it's the same card, right? So in the past, maybe there was, no effort put. There was no investment put. That's how one person feels. And right now, evaluation is going on. Somebody is evaluating. Maybe there's something there. Maybe there is some hope there. Let me just check this out again, before I kind of totally disregard it. Because this person's been through it, right? This person has sat up all night, cried, worried, and is sick and tired of being this way and wants a release to this stress and tension. Because, Queen of Cups, I have her here again, twice in one side. Okay, she does love you. She does love you, Libra, or Libra, if this is you, you do love the other person so much. I mean, how much more water can you get in, 6 cards? I have the 10 of Cups, I have Queen of Cups, I have the 2 of Cups, and I have the Ace of Cups. So this person is kind of going back and forth and saying, even though I kind of gave up on this connection, let me just take a little detour and see, not a detour, go back and see, maybe there is something there. What about those seeds which we had sown together? Let me see if something can come out of it. And yes, they have the fire back. Okay, the Queen of Wands has appeared for this, okay, for the Ace of Wands, which was back of our deck. And this person, yes, wants to now maybe try and move things forward with you, or if this is you and you want to give it a shot to see, if things can be taken to calmer waters together. Let's see how the other person is feeling now. Libra, now, if this was you, then this is how you've been feeling. If not, then this is you. Okay, so here, Libra, whoever this is, a tower moment happened in the past. Okay, and you felt pretty foolish about it. You felt quite foolish about it. I mean, yeah, see, the Justice card is out again. You felt something was not done right? Excuse me, Libra, my phone is ringing. Maybe just switch it off. Sorry, Libra. I'm glad I picked up the phone, though. That was my daughter crying about her boyfriend troubles. Okay, so where were we? We were here at the side saying there's been, there was a tower moment, but this person is desperate to kind of stall it. This was like a shocker. They don't want this tower to fall. They realize, they've been foolish, and they realize that some injustice has been done here. How many justice cards have got on the spread? 2 of them, Libra reading, of course. So they realize that yes, something has not been just, and they don't want this partnership relationship to crumble totally, and they're feeling rather foolish about it, and they really want to charge towards this other person like ASAP. They've also, kind of thought about it. They've gone within, but they are kind of now, I think they've realized the 7 of Cups is in reverse, right? So all these options that they had, which was the reason that this Queen of Cups here withdrew her love from the other person, they have realized what caused it. They have been in Hanged Man situation for a very long time. I think now they're totally enlightened by why this breakup has happened. It's in reverse now. Okay, so now they're coming out of that after being enlightened as to what went wrong in this relationship. And yes, it was because maybe I was cheating, or I had too many options, or that's the impression I was giving this queen, and maybe they were just joking with them or kidding with them, but this person really took it seriously and withdrew her love. And they have been feeling this person has also been feeling very bad about it, and they can't take it anymore. They want to come out of this, abandoned situation that they've been feeling. feeling I can't stand this anymore. I'm feeling stupid, foolish for upsetting my queen this way, and I'm going to drop any options if there are, and I just want to head towards now this side. Now they also know that this Queen of Pentacles, either they really had a third party and this person has been dropped now, or they're feeling that their queen is a little angry with them. They have the Chariot twice on their side, Libra, okay? They have it here, it came out here in the clarifier here as well. So they are gearing up big time, maybe, feeding their horses and polishing their chariot at the moment, thinking about how to, come towards you. So let's see who this Queen of Pentacles is for them. Yes, so if there was a third party, okay, Libra, if there was a third, I had a little inkling that this could be the karmic partner they were with. This person has been dropped, okay. They have completely ended things with this person. They have dropped any other option that they had in their life, and they are wanting to charge towards you. Now, Libra, this could be you or this could be you. But whoever is the masculine, I think, is charging towards this feminine. And if they had another person in their life, they've definitely put a full stop to it. One more spirit for this Chariot. Oops. Yes, they want a fresh new beginning and they want it with you. They're coming to start everything fresh with you. That's great. That's great news, Libra. I love it when things go right. But let's see your mutual energies first before I get too happy. We still have the Strength in reverse for both of you. Now this could be, Libra, both of you putting your pride and ego aside. But there is a King of Pentacles still in reverse. So I don't think the masculine is yet ready. They're still shutting off this cycle, whatever was with this karmic that they are, trying to finish off. I think this is just the starting stage of putting this to end. And they are now, like I said, polishing their horses and carriage to have a fresh beginning with you. I think from now to the end of June, they are still completing this. They're still completing their past. They're still not, in the upright as the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is the good one, okay? And they are still trying to find their courage. And so are you, I think, the Libra or the feminine energy. Let's see. What is the feminine energy feeling here? Yeah. You're not happy at all. Okay, none of your wishes have come true yet. But there is a star. It doesn't take time, for things to turn around. This is an old cycle which is getting completed of the way you both were towards each other. Maybe there'll be a new beginning for both of you together, because I do see the Fool card, the Chariot, so much love between two of you. So yeah, give it little time, I would say, Libra. The things are still in progress. I do see a lot of passion and love that you both share. Whether it'll come to fruition till the end of June, I can't say, but let's see. We also have the Hermit in reverse, which is a good thing again, right? So both of you are now not just sitting and mulling over it and, you've done your work. I think you've both done your work. You've both been in your corners, have shed light to whatever went wrong, and you've both kind of been enlightened to the fact that, yes, things can move or should move towards each other now. Yes, see? Waiting for your ships to come in. What did I say? I told you, things are getting prepared right now, okay, for your next new beautiful chapter to begin. So right now, I think this is a time of little bit of waiting. You can already see those ships coming towards the horizon with all the treasures and the goodies for you, and the wands have little, growth on them now. You are kind of sensing, yes, something beautiful is headed your way, because you both, I think, have done your work. Both of you have gone your separate corners and really done a lot of inner work. And now you're coming out of it. Too many cards. I have to put them back. One more card, Spirit. for the Hermit in reverse and the Three of Wands. One more card, please. Yeah, I think your lesson here, Libra, was about codependency, right? I think both of you, one way or the other, were codependent on being happy by yourself. I think both of you have got this time to be without each other, and you both discovered self-love. Okay, here you are, both are, now you're both ready. You're both, happy in your own life with you. You're both abundant, you're both successful maybe, you're both earning your pentacles, you both have found peace with you, within yourself. And it's only now can you come together for a very, very precious partnership. When one person is needy, or one person is jealous, or one person is, like I said, needy, then it becomes a codependent relationship, and that is maybe the lesson that both of you had to learn, right? So now both of you are on the brink of a beautiful partnership, I think, together. So I also have the Emperor in reverse, which means I think you're both letting go of control. Both of you are not pushing anything for to happen, and allowing things to happen at their own pace. Oh, Libra. Yes. Even though right now there may not be too much communication, you both can sense this coming. Okay? This is divinely guided. You know from your intuition, both of you know, you've been getting the signs and synchronicities that this is meant to be. Okay, this is, and yes, you people will not leave each other. Whatever walking away that has happened in the past, now you're going to come back to this person. The Lovers is here. The choice has been made, not by you, by the universe. This could be a soulmate or a twin flame or something. I'm going to see how this person feels for you, Libra. How does Libra's person feel for Libra? Spirit, how does Libra's person feel for Libra now? Okay. One more. How does Libra's person feel for them, Libra? They are so angry with you, Libra. What did you do? Here's your card. Justice card is out again. What did you do to this person? Libra, while all this healing and self-reflection and getting ready for the comeback it's going to come, right? But right now, you know what your partner's thinking? It's over, okay? This chapter is over, because this Libra who's in reverse did not do the right thing by me. They are a player. Okay, they are a player, and they have too many options, and they just come to me with passion, and they come in and out of my life, and yes, they are. That's how they think of you, Libra. Or Libra, this is how you think of your person, okay? So how does the other person think? How does the other person think? Yes, aren't you afraid of them now? Okay. One more. Libra, this is how you see them, okay? You see them as this Queen of Swords. You are so afraid of them. You feel, if I go towards them now, after everything that I've done, she's going to cut my head off, okay? You see them as not fighting for you anymore. Yes, you don't see them as fighting for you anymore, and you also see them as the Two of Cups. So you see them not extending any love to you. The same person, the Queen of Cups, who adored you, who gave you so much love, you are seeing them as not offering you anything at the moment. Now, Libra, again and again, I have to say it, this could be your cross watcher, okay? Maybe, Libra, maybe you are the one who was the Queen of Cups, and this is the person who's been a player. But let's see what's going to be the outcome finally at the end of June, okay? Or for this connection, let's say. By the end of June, I still see you people, kind of, see waiting. I knew this was going to come till the end of June. People are still kind of waiting and watching and, healing. But okay, so Spirit heard me before I could say what is finally in life going to happen, but it's okay. Let's just take it till the end of June. So Two of Wands, yes, you people are eagerly looking forward to some kind of News, yes. So whatever has not been in balance in the past, you are both looking forward to a victory in that. Okay, you both want to kind of put this right now. Okay, you both want this. It's not one person, the two of ones looking forward to an equal partnership now where both of you, this is in your mutual energy, so both of you can be victorious together. Okay, and no more of this breadcrumbing each other, or not having a balanced relationship. And here's the King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. He was itching to come out, right? The Queen of Cups was like kind of overruling the King of Cups and scaring this poor man. And the King of Cups says, "No, no, I'm also here. Don't think only she loves me. I love her too." So let's take an angel blessing card for you. Yes, see, I told you this. Till the end of June, you guys are both healing. Okay, all the pain. Yes, this person may reach out to you, Libra, or you may reach out to this person with an apology, and then there's going to be a little slowdown again while you both kind of internalize, the sorry and maybe a few words exchanged here or there. You will still kind of reflect, think, heal of whatever's happened. Let's take one last card for you. Oh, so what should we call this reading, Libra? Yes, keep your vision very, very firm, okay? You both love each other very much. So whatever has gone wrong, you both know there's love. There's a King of Cups, Queen of Cups. All the cup cards were here, Libra. It was beautiful, beautiful reading, except for this little glitch which happened. Yes, these things will be put right. So keep your vision very focused on what you want. Okay, don't have any negative self-talk if you can. Don't think it can't happen. Think yes, it's going to happen. It's going to happen, and it will happen. And yes, this will heal your relationship, and you guys will very soon be together. Don't worry about it. There's a lot of peace. You'll find a lot of peace by the end of it. Okay, it may not happen right away, till hardly any few days left, right? But yes, this is coming for sure. So hit that subscribe button now, please, 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 and give me a big fat thumbs up if you like the video, and leave a comment as well. Okay, and see you next week. Love and light. Take care, Libra.